So now we're going to create a BitLocker on our fourth drive. So let's go back into our control panel and click control panel home, or you type control panel here and search for BitLocker. So this is our BitLocker drive encryption. Click on it once. And you note you have your C drive, our E drive, but we want to put it on our H drive, the empty one. Select it one time, click on it one time and select turn on BitLocker. So this will we'll add a password to it, then we'll encrypt the drive. So you click on use a password. So I'm going to add my password. Ensure that it's something that you can remember. Then you re-enter your password again. Do not tick use smart card to unlock drive. Do not tick this. Click next. Then you choose where you want to store the recovery key. So I'm going to save mine to a file. I'm going to save mine to a file within my documents folder. I'm going to double click on documents and click save. So you can actually go and check that, but already it has saved it. We can check our file explorer, click documents. You notice you have your BitLocker recovery here. Minimize that. Let's go back to our BitLocker configuration. Click next. Do not touch this configuration. You can do more with it, but for this assignment, we'll just leave it the way it is. Click next also. Then we start encrypting that particular drive. So you can see here it says encryption in progress. You can take a screenshot of this for the assignment purpose to show that you've encrypted the work. Okay, you notice the lock here. If you go back to your file explorer, click this PC, you notice it has this lock on it. So that is how you create a BitLock. It has encryption on it.